New to Insta360 X6, this QuickStart guide will help you get up and running. The standard bundle includes the following items. Activate your camera. Press the power button to turn on the camera. Scan the QR code shown on the camera or search for the Insta360 app in your device's app store. Download and install the app. Then turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Open the app and search for your camera. The first time you connect, confirm the connection on your camera to complete activation. X6 comes with built-in storage and also supports micro SD cards for additional storage. To insert a micro SD card, press and hold the battery cover latch, then slide the cover down. Insert the card in the direction shown, then close the cover securely. When prompted, choose whether you want to use the micro SD card for storage. You can also swipe down on the touch screen, open the shortcut menu, then swipe right to change your storage settings. Button overview. Let's take a quick look at the X6 button layout and controls. We recommend pausing the video here or taking a screenshot for future reference. X6 opens in 360 video mode by default. Swipe across the touchscreen to preview different angles in real time. Press the shutter button on the side of the camera to start recording. X6 also features pressure-sensitive virtual buttons. Press the Mode button in the bottom right corner to switch between 360 and flat shooting modes. Press the shutter button in the bottom left corner to control recording. After recording, swipe right on the touchscreen to view your footage. X6 supports NFC. The camera's NFC sensing area is located below the screen. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, then hold your phone's NFC sensing area close to the cameras. The Insta360 app will open automatically, taking you straight to the album page to view and edit your footage. For Android phones, hold the phone horizontally against the sensing area. For iPhones, hold the phone upright against the sensing area for the best results.